Russia appears set to deploy heavy attack drones capable of carrying 100-kilogram FAB-100 bombs. Russia's former Roscosmos chief, Dmitry Rogozin, who now leads the Tsar's Wolves, stated in a Telegram post that Russia would soon field drones with Sirius weapons from 82 and 120mm mortar mines to FAB-100. It was likely that Rogozin was referring to the possible deployment of the Russian Sirius drone. Developed by the St. Petersburg-based Kronstadt Group, the Sirrius is a heavy drone weighing 2.5 tons that can reportedly carry 450 kilograms of weapons and can stay in the air for 20 hours at an altitude of 7,000 meters. While primarily an attack drone, the Sirius can also be used to patrol designated areas to plug gaps in defenses, using its ability to immediately attack and destroy small-sized or weakly protected targets, such as advancing reconnaissance by force teams. Equipped with a synthetic aperture radar, the Sirius can map the terrain for cruise missile routing and mortar engagements. According to the Pentagon intelligence briefing documents leaked on social media in April 2023, the Sirius drone took to the skies on its maiden flight on February 27. Serial production of the drone is planned at Dubna near Moscow. On November 16, 2021, Kronstadt DG Sergei Bogatikov told RIA Novosti, "The prototype Sirrius is already being assembled at our pilot plant in Moscow." According to various Russian sources, the drone is likely to be operationally deployed in the near future. Rogozin himself has alluded to the likelihood in an earlier, when Russia started its military campaign in Ukraine on February 24, 2022. Russian forces were challenged. In contrast, the NATO-trained Ukrainian forces were well equipped with small reconnaissance UAVs, as well as attack drones, such as the Turkish Bayraktar TB2. Lacking reconnaissance, targeting, and attack drones, Russian forces suffered significant losses to accurate Ukrainian artillery fire and direct drone attacks, despite the somewhat pedestrian attack capabilities of the Bayraktar. The Russian Ministry of Defense was quick to make amends, promising UAV projects, which the RUMAT had earlier supported but not pushed, were fast-tracked. As a result, capable small and medium drones started to appear on the battlefront in increasing numbers. Within a year of the campaign's beginning, Russia didn't just catch up with Ukraine in drone warfare. It tilted the balance in its favor. Artillery support drones have allowed Russian artillery to continue dominating the battlefield, despite the reduced availability of artillery shells, with production falling well short of demand. The accuracy of the Orlan-10 drone, guided Russian artillery fire, and near-infallible counter-battery ability of kamikaze drones, such as the Lancet, have enabled Russia to retain its overwhelming artillery superiority. Medium-altitude ISR drones such as the Orion, also developed by the Kronstadt Group, are providing good targeting information and facilitating attacks by RUA fighters and bombers, well behind the battlefront, using glide bombs. What Russia has not fielded so far is a heavy drone capable of destroying targets by itself. The advent of the Sirrius drone is set to change that. Unlike the Orion drone, which is mostly used for tactical ISR along the battlefront, the Sirrius drone features a built-in satellite communication terminal, giving it a much longer operating range. The drone also features a communication suite which, besides facilitating control by a ground-based pilot, also facilitates cooperation with piloted aviation.